Oh, fucker.
Mission. We come out here with the dirt bikes.
Here we go. Nice. To the 701. Dave's on the GasGas in front of me, so let's go catch him. Right away, I like the taller bars. Like immediately. Definitely need a bar riser. And I think the third gear with the 15 tooth would basically replace any kind of slogging, or, you know, on my bike where the 15 or the 16 is a little bit much. I just don't want to give up anything on the top end, so interesting. Oh, there he is. Probably should have checked what his ABS setting is on. I think he got it, turned it right off. I like using the front ABS, and then I can, from road bikes, I pretty much only use my front brake on the road. So of course this bike, it's kind of back and forth. It's nice to skid the back end sometimes. Interesting. The seat on the 701 actually goes a little bit further. It kind of has wings on each side of the tank, where my seat just ends skinny right to the front. I wasn't paying attention. And so I don't know if I would change that. Definitely power delivery, same motor. That's fourth with the 15 tooth. I don't know if I would use it more or not, because that's going in the 60s. Same speed, I would probably be in third, just higher out. We're revving it up in my bike. I'm kind of slogging now in fourth, so if I go back to third, yeah, that's better. It's cool to see my bike. I've never actually seen it. Yes, when I'm sitting down, the bars are a little bit high. I can see that can be a little bit awkward on the freeway. But standing up all day, second with the 15 tooth is actually pretty cool. Pulls hard. These also are a more aggressive off-road tire, you know, compared to mine. It definitely doesn't have ABS on it, just lock that up. But the steering definitely feels different.
I can't decide on the gearing. Like your second gear is way more usable.
Yeah.
It's taller.
Yeah.
But the technical stuff, I think, like third gear, your third gear, you can't really get into it.
No.
Get into it, whereas I'm in third gear
Yeah.
most of the time.
Like when you hit like just over 60 or whatever, I tried fourth,
Yeah.
and this will still pull at the bottom.
Yeah.
This way, no way. You'd have to be going like 80, 90.
Your bars are still back.
They're still back,
And
and they're way lower.
these, I don't, like, That's a massive difference, but I think these bars are taller too. I don't know.
I think, yeah, I think your actual bars are taller.
Yeah, because your bars seem really low.
And then your clamp, well, your clamp just looks like it's centered. Like I should try mine forward anyway.
Thing there. And the black thing's just part of the thing. And then I got all this. So I could take out one spacer. I think I have two. Yeah, I got two spacers.
Yeah, when I sit down on yours, then the bars feel like chopper.
No, me too. But I think I'm going to take this little one out. 3/16 of an inch.
Yeah.
So I've got a fat one, and then
that little one. Yeah.
So
Yeah, because I think I'd like to lift it a little bit, but I'll try it forward more first.
but if those are two separate pieces, you can have the little piece.
Oh yeah, I'll try that, and then I'll do the flip on the
Yeah, and then
on the top.
yeah, switch them forward like mine.
Yeah.
Mine are moved forward, and I think that'll make all the difference. And I don't think you can really go right or wrong with the gearing.
Totally. Yeah, I mean, honestly, motor for motor.
More technical stuff, that's the right answer.
I think I could feel a little more grip, though, in your tires.
Oh, these are better tires for sure. These are the stock, aren't they?
Yeah.
Yeah, the stock ones are known for being... The back one's not bad, the front one you don't get traction.
Yeah. Yeah, like when you drift across between the double lanes,
Yeah,
you drift.
vague, whereas I wasn't doing that on this.
No. Cool.
The pegs being down and back a bit make a difference. They're standing too.
Yeah.
You can't go wrong. The motors pull so good. I think there's a spot up here where we can, where we get up, it goes at an angle.
Didn't realize I had the camera going through that whole conversation after our bike trade. But good chat. I mean, these are first world problems for sure. These bikes are so identical, it's hard to tell them apart other than the setup. So, yeah, I think we're going to kind of find a happy ground in between these two bikes. The gearing is kind of here and there. I don't know for sure, because I don't really ride technical, if I need a heavier bottom end in those first few gears. But riding faster, maybe I would like more in the bottom of fourth. That could be a thing. But, you know, like I said, first world problems. So in the meantime, it's after 4 and we're pretty deep in the bush here. So we'll see. Yeah, we've got about 3 hours of sunlight, so that's lots of riding. But we'll see if we end up heading all the way back home or finding a place to stay in good old US of A. Like I said, everyone, put Montana on your map, on your travel plans. That was so cool. That's one of my favorite trails ever, I think. Thank you, US Forest Service, for keeping that up. You guys are awesome. Fall in Montana. You know, I gotta say, I don't mind a late start day when it's -3 in the morning. If this is how it ends up in the afternoon, we'll just ride till it's dark. This is awesome. Thank you, Montana. There's something new. This honestly looks like the first trail we were on, the first road to the trail. I can't tell. So for sure what I'll end up doing, I'm recording this ride on the maps. I'll go back and I'll say, hey, that's where we went. Wow. Been climbing for quite a while now, so cool to get a descent out of here, or even if there's a ridgeline summit, that'd be awesome. Definitely an old slide zone here. came down the other side of that pass, and much narrower road, but super smooth. There's hardly any holes or bumps. Getting into fourth gear here sometimes. Oh! Oh my god. You fucker. I earned that. That's got to be the highlight reel of the whole trip, motherfucker. Oh man, sorry for the language. Water. That's lesson learned. Literally bragging about how fast we're going and how good the trail is. And I'm soaked, like, from my knees up. That was like a wave. I can't wait to actually see that video. Oh man, that's what you get for being the tourist and following your guide around for 2 days. I gotta come up with some kind of prank or something. I need to come back for that one. Oh man. Well, that was an awesome track. That was a bit of a gravel slug to get up to the top of that. Weren't even at the top of the pass, but the road down was so smooth. There was barely a bump. And you know, pine needles, and it was like flat and loam, like someone manicured it. That was so good. It was like a mountain bike trail for dirt bikes. Alright, heading back, I think the way we came. That was really awesome. Riding his ass a little bit. He gets for splashing me with water. There's the bridge we crossed on the way here. And on the descent, that was about 160, 155 kilometers. I think this way back was about 13, so about 130 kilometers off-road, I think. That's pretty awesome. It doesn't seem much, but so if this is the end of the video, thanks for watching. And yeah, I'm thinking after these, probably have 3 videos of this trip. I'll do a full breakdown and shakedown of all the gear, all my equipment, any changes I want to make to the bike now that I've got a bunch of off-road models on it, even my luggage. And I gotta tell you about these boots, how fantastic they are. Yeah, that's all to come. See y'all soon.